Hi friends, welcome to Updated Human. The aim of this channel is to keep you updated. Today, we are going to discuss World Wildlife Day 2020 celebration ideas in this video. Before starting this video, please subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated. Let's start this video. We have discussed the World Wildlife Day 2020 theme and hashtags for this year in the previous video. As we all know that World Wildlife Day Society announces theme for every year celebrations. So you can know about the theme and the hashtags on my previous video, and now we will move to this video. In this video, we will discuss different ideas on how we can celebrate World Wildlife Day this year. There are many places where you can spread awareness about wildlife. So we will talk about some places and ideas for that place in detail. The first place that we are going to talk about is school. So in schools, you can organize different things. So we will discuss about each and everything that can we do in schools one by one. First thing that you can do in your school is organize a competition. And what kind of competition that will be? It can be a art competition, it can be a poster competition, it can be a slogan competition, or it can be a speech competition. So when students have these kind of competition in the school, they will research more about it, they will learn more about it, and when they learn about it, they get into the detail what are the endangered animals in our surroundings and how we can do changes to save them. Next thing that you can plan in your school is trip. So what kind of trip you can plan? You can organize a trip to the national park, wildlife sanctuary, or you can say zoo, whichever is possible for your school depending on the situation. So you can organize trip to these, maybe national park, wildlife sanctuary, or to the zoo. Next thing that you can plan is plants. In this plant section, of course, you can grow more plants, more trees near your school, or you can say inside your school campus. You can grow more plants near your school or inside your campus. Of course, it will give you more oxygen and it will help the environment as well, and it will help the student as well regarding knowing what processes that we have to do for changing the atmosphere near us. So in this way, you can organize this kind of thing. Or the next thing that you can organize is a street parade. You can organize a street parade regarding spreading awareness about this wildlife. Like if you know about what are the endangered species in your area, and based on that, you can specifically launch a campaign for that street parade. In this way, it will be a learning and plus a awareness program that we can do for the wildlife. So these are the things that we can do in school. The next place that we are going to talk about is your office. In your office, you can organize first a special talk on this wildlife topic or biodiversity topic, or any topic that is being related to wildlife. You can organize a special talk on it. Maybe somebody from your company can do this kind of talk, or maybe you can, of course, invite some special guest for this kind of talk, people who have expertise in this area. You can definitely organize these kind of talk in your office. Next, you can launch a special campaign. You can launch a special campaign either offline or online for saving biodiversity. It depends on your company's strength and their budget. You can, of course, definitely go for the thing that is better for your company, both wise. Plus, but do spread awareness about this by either offline or online social campaigns. Next, you can organize a competition in your office. And what kind of competition it will be? It will be a photo competition or it will be a poster competition. Photo competition, or you can say picture competition, will be good in the office, because I think employees can share pictures that they have clicked of animals, rare pictures, or maybe rare pictures of wildlife or biodiversity, or maybe that any picture related to wildlife can be selected in this competition. Next, screening of movies, and you can organize a special screening of movies to know more about the hazardous effects that is currently going in the environment. So you can there are of course plethora of movies available like The Day After Tomorrow. Next thing that you can do is plant more trees. See, anybody can plant more trees, and as a company, if you do this kind of thing, it will of course beneficial for your company and of course saving the wildlife as well. The next place that we are going to discuss is society. In your society, you can launch a campaign on wildlife conservation, and next thing that you can do is plant more trees in your society, and you can do is make children more aware about this topic. You can spread awareness about this topic in your society by any of these ideas. The next place that we are going to discuss is home. At your home, you can share knowledge about biodiversity, wildlife conservation, about World Wildlife Day, why it's celebrated, what we can do to change our environments. These kind of things you can share with your family members. Or you can do is, if you have pets at home, so then first treat them with love and affection. Of course, if you have some pet, they are like a family member and you have to treat them well. So this is also part of your duty that you have to do to save the wildlife. Next thing that you can do is spread awareness about wildlife in your surroundings. As a family, you can of course spread the awareness in your society, in your family, relatives, anywhere that you can do, maybe on social media. So all these kind of things that you can do as a family can of course go for the better future. Or as a family, you can try to go to national parks, wildlife sanctuary, or to the zoo to learn more about the wildlife. Or you can plant more trees, more, I think, a terrace garden. Small thing that you can do as on your own will eventually help the environment and the wildlife. The last section that we are going to discuss is at an individual level. At your individual level, you should set a goal to live your daily life with the smallest negative impact on the environment. Or you should give time to volunteer programs like to help clean beaches, to rescue wild animals, or to teach tourists about local habitat. And you can share your knowledge across your surroundings, like friends, relatives, everywhere, wherever it is possible, you can spread the knowledge. So friends, these are just small ideas that I have in my mind for celebrating or spreading awareness about World Wildlife Day 2020. In the next video, we will discuss ideas about how we can post on social media on World Wildlife Day 2020. Do let us know about your views about this video via comments, and hit the like button if you like this video. Stay updated by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.